need to be perfect to start. Just start by doing what matters. In today's video, I want to talk about something a bit different but very close to my heart. I know how it is to struggle to grow on YouTube as a small YouTuber. If anyone tells you the journey is easy, I don't think that's the truth, right? Growing on YouTube as a small YouTuber is very, very tough. You get to feel frustrated, disappointed by the views, frustrated by the subscribers count. People subscribe and unsubscribe back to your channel, and it's very, very sad. All right. So I noticed that being on YouTube, it's not easy. And one of the things that can actually keeps you going is just to get inspired every single day by listening to some motivational quotes. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some powerful motivational quotes and tips to keep you inspired, focused, that can actually high up your energy in creating more content. Right. So if you can watch this video to the very end, trust me, at the end of this video, you are going to get some key motivational quotes I have for you in this video. Number one quote that I have for you is that your first video won't be perfect. You just need to start and the improvement will come later. You don't need to be pro in editing. You don't need to be a pro in designing thumbnails. You don't need to speak fluently. You don't need to speak like the way I talk. You don't need to talk the way I speak. You don't need to do all of those stuff like that. You don't need to try to be me or try to be any other big creator you aspire to be. The best thing is just for you to start and be yourself. And whether you are speaking well today, it doesn't matter. Where you started doesn't matter, but how it actually ends, it what matter the most. If you have started today, like today, I didn't even know that I am someone that will actually put a camera out there and start talking to people, and people get to watch my video. I'm a camera shy person. I remember when I can't even make a good sentence without a mistake. I remember when people used to laugh at me because of my accent. Akwa Ibom accent, Akwa Ibom this, Akwa Ibom that. And it actually made me feel stuck. I don't even get to like express myself in public because of that. But I didn't wait until I become a perfecto before I can actually start creating content on YouTube. Passion made me start creating content. And me creating content on YouTube is actually helping my daily life. See, let me just tell you one thing about this YouTube, or one thing about creating content, especially tutorial content. It actually makes you to get exposed, and it also makes you to discover a lot about yourself. You get to improve yourself every single day. Don't wait until you are perfect. Don't wait until your first video is very perfect before you start. Start somewhere and improvement is going to come later. So another quote I have for you is that consistency creates momentum. Yeah, because each day that you upload a video on YouTube, you've seen it as a way of building your self-confidence. You've seen it as a way of building who you are. You've seen it as a way of improvement to yourself. Your own consistent might be twice in a week, might be every day, might be 3 times in a week, might be once in a week. That's your own consistent. But just take consistency as if you are building a momentum. You are building your self-trust, your self-confidence. You are improving yourself in some other part of your life, your editing skills, the way you design your thumbnails, the way you speak. And let each time that you upload a video on YouTube, there should be one unique thing that a viewer will actually spot from your latest and your previous video. If I've watched your video today and let it be that there's something I've actually spotted on that video that makes it look different from the one you uploaded before. When you're being consistent on YouTube, also make sure you are bringing quality over quantity. Let your content stand out. Let your content be valuable. Let your content solve people's problem. As you all know, YouTube is a search engine optimization. People come in here every single day and search for what they want. Is your content going to stand out? That is the question you need to ask yourself. If you are posting a quality content and you are being consistent, and yet YouTube is not recommending your videos to more people, you don't need to get panicked about it. As time goes on, that is going to happen. The third motivational quote I want to share with you is that do not compare your own chapter 1 to someone else chapter 20. I know it's very, very nice. Sometimes I do feel like there is this one lady that I love watching her content, Vibe with Sonia. I love her content so much, and sometimes I wish, in fact, in every big creator that I've been engaging with their content, whenever they drop a video and within 5 minutes, 100 and something person have viewed the video, that are watching the video, I always wish to be like them. But then I said to myself that whatever I'm going through today is what they actually went through. I don't need to like start comparing myself to them. I want to be like them, not knowing that it took them years to get to where they are today, not knowing that it took them a lot of things for them to get to this very point in time. Then this one thing that's actually trending on YouTube about a particular lady called DoorDash. This lady has been trending, like a lot of people are making video about this very particular lady. But do you know that we had to like check back the girl channel? There was a time that she posted and no one views her post. There was a time that she uploaded a video and she get to watch it herself and nobody comments. But here is she today. What if she gave up? Like what I always tell small YouTubers like me, that giving up is never an option. Imagine if that lady has given up some years back when she wasn't getting the subscriber count, she wasn't getting the views. By now, people wouldn't have been making video in honor of her. Or people wouldn't have been making video about her, speaking about her, how she blew up on YouTube. So don't compare your own chapter 1 to someone else chapter 2. If you have not taken any of this code, please take this one. It's very, very important. Please, if at this point you've not liked this video, you've not shared, you've not comment, you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. And when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you always get updated whenever I bring in a new video, so that it will send a good signal to YouTube algorithm that this video is actually doing well. Thank you very much for subscribing and being part of my amazing community. So the number 4 tip I want to share with you is that believe in your journey, as every step counts. Remember, you once started with the step of creating your YouTube channel, right? That's the first journey. The first journey is you starting about the niche you are going to be talking about. The second journey, you start with creating your channel. The third journey, you start with editing your video, designing your thumbnails, speaking on the camera. All these steps you've taken, it actually counts. How you improve in the way you speak, in the way you design your thumbnails, in the way you edit your video, it actually counts. In every milestone you've achieved on this YouTube journey, it's worth celebrating. That's why I always tell people that, see, it's not easy. You don't know what it took me to get here. And you are telling me that I shouldn't celebrate my 100 subscribers, my 200 subscribers, my 300. Are you for real? God. See, if I reach a particular milestone, be it on the views, on the subscriber count, I get to celebrate it and I post it on my YouTube community. Because if not for you guys, I wouldn't have gone this far. I get to post it and I celebrate it, because by so doing, I'm also thanking God for how far I've gone, for what He has done, and He will keep on doing more. And me appreciating my loyal subscribers, it will help them to keep on doing more, because you people word of encouragement and motivation keeps me going. So don't be afraid to celebrate every milestone you've achieved on this YouTube street. It's worth celebrating, because this journey is very, very frustrating. So in every milestone, please do well to celebrate it, because it's worth it. The last thing I want to talk about is that every big creator has their own humble beginning. Just keep going. Your own time will come. Yeah, your own time will come. I might be here with over 300 subscribers today, but tomorrow you see me with over 100,000 subscribers, and you wish to be like me. You wish to be like Afion. You wish to be like Affitech Digital. It's not actually bad for you to like aspire to be like someone else, but the thing is, are you putting in the work? Are you doing the right thing? Just know that in every big creator's life you are seeing right now, they have their humble beginning. If they even get to tell you their own stories, you might see that your own self is even small. You might see that you're actually learning work for where they are. I have a lot of stories to share, and I'm just waiting for the right time to give that story to small creators, to motivate them, to encourage someone out there. So if you ever feel discouraged on YouTube like me, if you ever feel like giving up, if you ever feel like you are putting so much effort, so much work, but then you are getting nothing in return, please don't quit YouTube. It pays. One day your hard work will pay. One day your consistency will pay on YouTube. So I say, let me share this with you guys, and I hope someone out there is going to sum up courage based on this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Share, leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know one thing you learned from this video in the comment section. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.